Carta? And please raise your right hand and in a loud tone of voice repeat after me. See, I, state your name.
I, Aaron Eric Rosada,
Having consciously and freely applied
having consciously and freely applied
to be a member of the Quiet Sandiwa Eagles Club,
to be a member of the Great Sandiwa Eagles Club,
a club duly affiliated
a club duly affiliated
to the Fraternal Order of Eagles,
to the Fraternal Order of Eagles,
Philippine Eagles,
Philippine Eagles,
subscribing to the Eagles Magna Carta
subscribing to the Eagles Magna Carta
of the Philippine Eagles,
of the Philippine Eagles,
and believing in its capabilities
and believing its capabilities
as a self-reliant,
as a self-reliant,
first Philippine-born,
first Philippine-born,
fraternal socio-civic organization,
fraternal socio-civic organization,
and the capabilities of my club
and the capabilities of my club
to carry the pursuit and ideals
to carry the pursuit and ideals
of the Philippine Eagles,
of the Philippine Eagles,
do hereby solemnly make oath
do hereby solemnly make oath
that I shall defend and uphold
that I shall defend and uphold
at all times
at all times
the Eagles Magna Carta,
the Eagles Magna Carta,
as well as all laws,
as well as all laws,
rules and regulations
rules and regulations
duly promulgated
duly promulgated
by the Philippine Eagles,
by the Philippine Eagles,